Today, I'm going to show you how to use one of the most powerful tools you can bring to any medical appointment: your visit summary. Think of your visit summary as more than a worksheet. Consider it as a structure that helps you stay clear, organized, and confident before, during, and after every appointment. Whether you're managing your own care or supporting someone you love, this tool becomes the backbone of your healthcare experience. So why use a visit summary? Because appointments move fast. A lot of information gets shared in a very short amount of time. Symptoms, diagnoses, medication changes, next steps, home care instructions. And in the middle of all that, it's easy to walk out thinking, wait, what did the doctor say? The visit summary helps prevent that. It gives you a place to prepare your questions ahead of time, take notes during the conversation, and capture the exact instructions you need to follow at home. Your visit summary keeps everything in one place so you don't have to rely on memory or try to piece things together later. Most of the information you see will make sense the moment you see it, but I want to highlight a few key points so you can get the most out of your visit summary. Before your appointment, sections 2 and 3 help you get centered. Section 2 lets you jot down your main concern and anything new since your last visit, and Section 3 gives you a few conversation starters, so you can begin the appointment with clarity and confidence. In Section 9, you can write your questions before the appointment or add new ones as they come up during the visit so you don't forget them. This alone can transform the appointment because you stay focused and clear instead of scrambling to remember things on the spot. During the visit, sections 4 through 8 become your anchor. This is where you can jot down key points, quick phrases, medication changes, tests or referrals, and any home instructions your provider gives you. You don't have to write perfectly, just capture the essentials. Writing things down helps you stay present and follow the conversation without worrying you'll forget something later. Before you close your appointment, sections 10 through 12 help you wrap things up. Section 10 gives you a quick checklist to confirm you understand your next steps. Section 11 guides you through a short zone check so you can make sure everything is clear. And Section 12 is your space to note anything your provider wants you to review later, like a website, an organization, or a specific resource related to your condition. If something still doesn't make sense, this is the perfect moment to ask one more clarifying question. The visit summary gives you a natural place to pause, review, and confirm before walking out. After your appointment, take a moment to fill in anything you didn't have time to write. Then store your worksheet somewhere consistent: a folder, binder, notebook, or digital file. Over time, these summaries become a powerful record of your healthcare journey, and you may be surprised by how often you refer back to them. It may take you a little longer the first time you use the visit summary, and that's completely normal. Providers appreciate when patients take their care seriously, and most will gladly give you the time you need to fill it out. Before long, this will become second nature, and you'll feel more confident at every appointment. If you have any questions or want more resources, visit us at patientbetter.com. Thanks for watching.